Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a video and show you guys a cool little tip on when you upload your videos that you can use to help remind our viewers to subscribe to our channel and to recommend a different video that we've created that they can watch. This could probably potentially boost our subscriber counts and our views because we would recommend our own YouTube video versus the YouTube algorithm coming in and forcing the viewer to watch whatever they choose to be next. As affiliate marketers, we make a lot of content to promote the solution to a lot of people's problems. Say if your issue is making money online, right? And you want to learn how, or you don't know how, or you don't believe it's possible, which it is. Us as affiliate marketers, we present the solution and we take our best product and show the person who has that problem. Like, you want to make money online? Here's Lead Lightning. You can make $6 commissions over and over again for one $7 purchase. It's great for beginners. You can promote any offer that you want, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and whatever, but you get the point. So today I want to show you how to use the ending seconds of your video to remind the viewer, to give them a call to action to either click your video or to subscribe to your channel. And you can make this automatically. So not only will you be saying that at the beginning, you'll say it at the end, but then also the YouTube screen will give two clickable icons on the screen that they can press, visually reminding them to subscribe to your channel. So the first thing I want to show you is the end of a video to show that that it's not there, I guess. Let's just go here to this video here. The Freedom Club.
Hey guys, Steve here.
So I'm going to fast forward to the end seconds of the video.
Fly by night,
And where we're at 30
scams, schemes, and anything like that, putting it in the back office, because that's just not right.
At the end of this video,
there's a lot of products that totally,
you don't see that there's anything clickable on here except the watermark that I added to subscribe. Well, that's great and all. So that's another way to do that. If you have this pop up at the end, or if you have it continuously through the whole video like I do. But I want to show you what the big marketers, the top marketers are doing, right? So let's go look, make money online. Now look at, here's the top marketer, Kevin David, right? So if we click his video, and of course,
what's going on, guys? Robbie here. And how?
Of course, there's a commercial, right? But he has his watermark that you can subscribe to through the video. It's there always, right? And then let's just jump to the end of his video. And let's see what he has here. Boom, let's stop it here. So what he has, besides for his commercial here, this little ad, he has his subscribe, his playlist here. So you have a choice to click more of his videos. And then you also have his icon here that you can click subscribe, right? So he gives you a call to action here. And he even has in his video, his end card is already typed up to show his contacts, which you can't click. He has an end card that has this over the top, and he has the end card with the arrows because he already knows where this icon is going to be. And I'll show you how to do that. I'll make a different video about the end cards, but today I just want to show you about how to put these on your videos. Now, I think that by doing this, like I said, I think that it would increase your potentially increase your subscribers and potentially increase the views of your other recommended videos before YouTube comes in and hijacks all of that, right? All of that free time in between the end credits, right? So let's go back to our channel. And let's go back to my channel. So here's where you start at. You go to your YouTube channel, and the quickest way I get to my YouTube Studios is clicking here, but you can also do the same way and come to YouTube Studios here. So let's take the easy button. So now what you do is you come down here to settings. I think it's set. Oh no, I made the same mistake twice. Not the settings. You go to the video that you want. So click videos. And then let's see. I think the video we were working with is this one. So let's hit this video here, details. And then what you do is come over here to the right side and you scroll down and you come to where it says end screen. You click end screen and it brings you up to this editable screen. Now, as you know, the video that I had is like 20 minutes long, I believe. Well, here, yeah, 2015. Let's see. Yeah, the video was 20 minutes and 15 seconds long. And according to this, this is where your end credits, your end screens are going to appear at 19 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay. So here's your options that you can display on the screen. You can have import from latest video. This will be your latest video. This will be your subscribe. You can have a video that you can select. Here's your video. Here's your subscribe. This is the same deal. You can have your subscribe on this side and the playlist. This you can have 2 videos. This you can have 1 video and a playlist. This you can have 1 video, your subscribe button, and a playlist. Let's just go all out for demonstration purposes and click this button. So now on this screen, it shows you that here's your video, here's your playlist, and here's your subscribe button. You see that? And it also says that it's going to insert these clickable icons at 19 minutes and 55 seconds. And it's going to run all the way from 1955 all the way to 2015. It's going to run from there all the way to the end of your video. Okay. And this is what the subscribe is going to say. Okay. That's what it's going to say. Okay. So anyway, so if you want to modify what videos they see, you click this and you have an option to select your most recent upload, the best for the viewer. So you allow YouTube to select the video from your channel to best suit the viewer. But how does YouTube know, right? Or you can choose a specific video. So this is a video about affiliate marketing, Simple Freedom Club. So I'm going to choose my own video. And then I'm going to just scroll through my videos and I'm going to put this one because this is another Simple Freedom Club video. Okay. And then as far as a playlist, you do the same thing. You click there, click the playlist, and you can insert something from one of your playlists. So I can come here and click, I'll do my 6 videos here. Okay. And now in the middle, you have your subscribe button. And also, just to let you know, you can move these up and down and around and position them wherever you want to on your screen. So I'll just move this to the top just for demonstration purposes, right? Just to show you. And let's see, this is where it's going to hover. Okay. So it'll be your video and it'll be subscribe over here, right? Because this is the whole box that's clickable. Okay. So we'll leave that this way, show hover. So that's where it's going to hover. So I'll unclick that. So then down here, this is where you look again. This is where you can insert another element if you want, but we're going to keep this video simple. Down here is where you can insert a clip. And here's where you can insert audio, like music or anything else. I can make specific videos about those two as I learn about them, right? And I'll make a video and let you know how to do it. So after you set it up how you want it, right, where I have my next video that I want to show my viewer relating to the video here, and then another playlist just talking about, my TextBot AI $100 payment direct pay business here. So I click save. Okay, so now those features are now saved to this video here. And this video is Learn Affiliate Marketing, okay? And it's 20 minutes and 16 seconds long. So let's go here and check out the video now. Now, I'm not going to make you watch the video all 20 minutes to show you, but I will jump to where it was going to be. And I think it was at 1955. So we'll go 1951, okay? And I'll hit play. Now, remember, the clickable images are inserted at 1955, okay? So let's hit play and let's see what happens. I have the volume muted.
You know what I mean? So anyway.
Now I'm muted. So boom, there it is. You see how it just popped up? So now I have this clickable image here, right? That is to subscribe to my channel. This is a reminder. This is a call to action. And we have it here. the video related, and then we have my playlist. That's awesome, right? That's just a cool little feature of how to remind the viewer to, hey, check out my other two videos, and hey, don't forget, subscribe. So I think what we can do here, one more thing real quick, is we'll go back here and we'll jump back into the end scene credits here, and we'll do one more feature because I want to see if this does something. So I want to click show hover card outline. Okay, so that's this. And I wonder what that does. So I wonder if that does anything. So click save and then go back. Oh, it probably doesn't do anything. I wonder if I could type in here. No. So that's kind of it, right? So I guess we hit save. We can't hit save. So let me do something here. Let's bump this to 6 and I'll force a save and we'll see if it does anything to that video here. So let's go here, click here. And of course, we won't watch it again all the way. I'll jump to 1950. What was it? 1955, 53, 54, 55, 56. It pops up. Oh, okay. And yes. And here's my subscribe and everything again. So that one little feature just wasn't anything. So, but anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. And to show you that there is a way to remind our viewers to subscribe without having to continually say like, share, subscribe, which is still a good thing, right? But anyway, I hope you got a lot of value out of the content that I shared. And if you didn't, let me know in the comments below. If you did, let me know in the comments below. But as always, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and I'm out.